Yo, what's up everyone? In this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up a private Solana RPC so that you can purchase meme coins much faster, and also you avoid front running, which is great. When it comes to EVM based chains like Base or Ethereum, it's quite easy to set up a new RPC. MetaMask wallet has great options for that. But when it comes to, for example, Phantom wallet, it's a bit difficult. You need coding for that. But I highly suggest you to use Backpack wallet. This wallet has an option that you can easily customize your RPC, which is great. Just download the extension. It's similar to Phantom or MetaMask. And now we need a customized RPC. I use QuickNote for that. We only have to create an account. It's totally free. I prefer to continue with Google. In here, write a name and organization name. I want to write test RPC and test RPC. Continue. First, you have to verify your email, recent verification email. Okay, my email verified. Now let's click on get started. We need an endpoint. I choose Solana chain, continue, and mainnet. We have to select a plan. I go for free option and continue. I agree to everything, and the good thing is there is no credit card needed. Okay, my endpoint or RPC created. Just copy the HTTP provider link in here. Now open your Backpack wallet, click on your profile, setting, choose Solana, RPC connection, and custom. In here, paste the URL and click on update. As you can see, now I'm using a custom RPC, which is great. Transactions will be much faster with this RPC, and bots can't front run me. This is great. Whenever you have planned to use the regular and public RPC, you only have to click on this option. And as you can see, now I'm using the public RPC. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe the channel and join my Telegram group. Cheers viewers, hope to see you in my next videos.